In the vibrant coral reef of Chromatica lived Finny, a fish unlike any other. His scales shimmered with every color imaginable, a rainbow masterpiece in a world of mostly blue and yellow. While other fish marveled at his beauty, Finny felt burdened by his uniqueness. He longed to blend in, to be ordinary, just another blue streak darting through the reef. One day, a wise old octopus named Octavia noticed Finny's dim sparkle. "Why do you hide your light, little one?" she asked, her tentacles gently swaying. Finny confided his fear of being different, of drawing unwanted attention. Octavia smiled, her wise eyes twinkling. "But your difference, Finny, is your greatest gift. Look around you," she said, her tentacles pointing to the diverse coral formations and dazzling array of fish. "This reef thrives on its kaleidoscope of colors and shapes. Would it be the same without your rainbow scales?" And Finny gazed at the reef, seeing it new. He noticed how his iridescent reflection danced on the coral, how his shimmering scales lit up the dark corners. Slowly, a spark of pride ignited within him. The next morning, Finny swam out of his hiding place, letting his rainbow scales sing in the sunlight. Other fish gathered around, mesmerized by his brilliance, but this time, Finny wasn't scared. He danced and twirled, his scales painting the water with vibrant hues. The reef, bathed in his rainbow light, came alive with joy and celebration. And Finny realized that his difference wasn't a burden, but a beacon. He learned that what makes you unique is also what makes you beautiful, and that by embracing your true colors, you can brighten the world around you. He became a symbol of hope and acceptance, reminding everyone that the reef's most dazzling light came not from conformity, but from embracing one's own unique splendor. Moral: don't dim your light to fit in. Your individuality is your greatest strength, and by embracing it, you can add a unique and wondrous sparkle to the world. I hope this story, with its colorful imagery and message of self-acceptance, resonates with you